how to add collaborators to your TikTok. So what you'll have to do is, if you wanna add collaborators to TikTok, you must be looking for the collab feature. So you'll have to open up the TikTok and then plus the plus icon to create a post. So now once you create a post, what you'll have to do is record or upload your video, tap on next to go to the posting screen and look for tag people and then tap invite collaborator. So search and select the user you want to collaborate with, and the user or the person you invited will get the request to join. So once they accept, the video will appear on both profiles, both accounts, and both accounts will be able to view the shares, likes, comments, and views. So this feature may not be available in all the regions. So what you'll have to do is, once you go to your posting screen, see if you belong to a region where it is accessible and viable. So you'll be able to see invite collaborator option, since it's not in mine. So it would somewhat look like this. So you'll have to press on that invite collaborators, and you can simply go ahead and invite the collaborators. So this was for the video. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.